Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the origin of our closest celestial neighbor, the moon? As night falls and the stars twinkle into existence, one celestial body stands apart, a constant companion in our journey through the cosmos. Our moon, ever present, ever watchful, illuminating our nights with its silvery glow. It's been a silent witness to the comings and goings of life on Earth, from the first stirrings of primordial life to the rise and fall of civilizations. But how did it come to be? Where did it come from? These questions have puzzled humanity for centuries, sparking countless theories and debates. The moon's origin is more than just a matter of idle curiosity. It's a puzzle piece in the grand tapestry of our universe, a key to understanding our place in the cosmic order. Well, the story of the moon's birth is a tale of cosmic proportions, a tale that takes us back to the early days of our solar system. Imagine a time more than 4 billion years ago when our Earth was young and shared its orbit with a Mars-sized body named Theia. A stage was set for a cosmic ballet, destined to reshape the face of our planet and birth a new celestial companion. Theia, oblivious to its impending doom, danced a dangerous dance with Earth. It was a dance that would end in a collision so monumental, it would forever alter the course of our planet's history. Picture an object, roughly the size of Mars, hurtling through space at incredible speeds, pulled by the gravitational force of our young Earth. As Theia neared, the tension in the cosmic theater built, each second ticking away towards an inevitable conclusion. And then, in a moment that lasted less than a second, yet would echo through the eons, Theia struck Earth. The impact was unimaginable, an event of such magnitude that it would be like all the world's nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously trillions of times over. The force of the collision was enough to melt Theia and a part of Earth, turning them into a fiery, molten mass. This violent encounter sent a shower of debris into space, a swirling cloud of rock and fire that orbited our wounded Earth. But from this chaos, order began to emerge. Over the course of millions of years, the debris coalesced, pulled together by gravity. The once chaotic cloud of rock and fire began to cool, solidifying into a sphere, taking shape under the watchful gaze of the cosmos. The dust settled, the fires dimmed, and what was left was a new entity, a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of our planet. In the aftermath of this cosmic cataclysm, a new celestial body was born, our moon. In the wake of this monumental impact, our young Earth was surrounded by a ring of debris. Picture, if you will, an infant Earth, reeling from the cataclysm, cloaked in a halo of cosmic rubble. This scene, as apocalyptic as it may sound, was the cradle of our moon's birth. The debris, fragments of both Earth and the rogue planet, began an intricate dance of gravity. Over time, these pieces started to clump together, drawn to each other by the irresistible pull of mutual attraction. This process was neither quick nor easy. It was a slow ballet spanning millions of years, and fraught with countless collisions and near misses. As these fragments coalesced, a celestial body began to take shape. Piece by piece, collision by collision, the moon was being formed. The relentless forces of nature were crafting a masterpiece in the night sky. Over millions of years, this debris slowly came together, cooled and solidified into the moon we know and love. And so, from a violent and chaotic beginning, our tranquil moon was born. Today, it's more than just a celestial spectacle. It's a vital cog in our planet's complex machinery. The moon has been our planet's steadfast companion, silently influencing our world in ways we often overlook. From creating tidal rhythms that have guided the course of life on Earth, to serving as a cosmic shield, protecting us from the onslaught of meteorites, the moon's role is truly indispensable. It has also played a crucial part in stabilizing our planet's climate, enabling life to flourish in all its diversity. In essence, the moon is not just an inert piece of rock orbiting the Earth, it's a dynamic entity that has shaped the course of life on this planet. Its birth, a saga of violence and chaos, is a testament to the incredible forces at play in our universe. Next time you look up at the moon, remember the incredible, violent, and awe-inspiring story of its birth.